This is the 50-liter vacuum mixer. Here's the power switch, LED light, and lifting up. When you lose your finger, it will stop lifting. And now we will try lifting down. And after that, we will try the mixing function. Firstly, you need to turn on the mixing by this button, and then screw this inverter to adjust its mixing speed. Turn off. And here we got this is for vacuum pump. Before you use vacuum pump, close this valve and open this one. This one is connecting to the vacuum pump, so you have to open this one. And now we will start to do the vacuum. You can see the vacuum gauge is going up. Maximum is minus 0.1 MPa. This one. You can stop it manually by turning off this pump. And the vacuum is still there. And if you worry that the vacuum will lose too fast, you could decide to close this valve, so the vacuum will remain inside for longer. And also, here we got this run time setting for the vacuum pump. So this 0.5 seconds means that the vacuum pump will run for 65 seconds and stop for 5 seconds and then run again. You could adjust the time here for automatically vacuum system, or you could also control the vacuum time manually by this vacuum pump switch if you want. And on the cover, we got this vacuum gauge, inspection window, and this is to release the vacuum. If you want to open your cover, you cannot open the cover when the tank inside is under vacuum. You have to open this valve to lose the vacuum first, like this. And you can see the pressure is going back. When it goes to 0, you will be able to open the cover again. Just like that. And here we got this LED light, and this one is for the connecting to the vacuum pump, so you have to open it when you are going to use the vacuum system. And this one is connecting to this pipe. It is connecting to a filter here. This side connecting to the pump, and then filter, and then the connection to the tank. The reason that we have this one is that because when vacuum is working, it sucks air from the tank, and the air contains a little moisture or little water. So in this way, we can make sure all this moisture and water will remain inside this filter, and so the vacuum pump sucks only air to protect the vacuum pump. And here is the vacuum pump. So usually you don't, after you receive the machine, you don't have to do anything with the vacuum pump, just use it directly. But after the 200 to 300 hours using, you need to replace the oil inside the vacuum pump. So this is the oil outlet. The top is the oil inlet. And we offer you a bottle of spare oil and some O-rings I will put inside the machine. And at the bottom of the tank, we got this outlet, discharge outlet. And with these flexible pipes. And I think that would be all for the machine. And regarding this filter of vacuum pump, make sure that there won't be too much water inside. So we suggest you to discharge the liquid inside by opening this valve every week or maybe 3 to 5 days. It depends on how often you use the machine. You could discharge it every day if you want, it's up to you. But make sure at least you would check and discharge the water inside at least 1 week, one time.